When your business switches to cloud communications, most providers don't tell you that not only is the phone equipment remote and in the cloud, everything is. System design? Remote or do it yourself. Installation? Remote. All your phones show up in boxes. Training? Remote. Just a bunch of links to figure it out yourself. And support? Call into the company maze so someone can guess what's wrong from thousands of miles away. But there's one cloud provider that's not remote. Partners Technology. We're local. We do system design in person. And we install your phones, troubleshoot, and train you too. If you ever do need support, we answer calls live, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. And we send a real support technician when needed. Service like that is how Partners Technology became a Gold Partner of Mitel, the fastest growing global cloud communications provider. We've been a Mitel partner since 2002. Maybe it's time to make Partners Technology your partner for cloud communications. Call us to chat about it and a real person will answer.